Tanse everybody, my name is Dakota Bear and welcome to my series called Music Makers 101. Quick shout out to Taking It Global, Create to Learn, and also Imaginative for launching this series called Create to Learn at Home. I'm Nihiao from Treaty 6 territory. I'm now situated on unceded Coast Salish territory, also known as Vancouver. I came out here because of music. I moved out here in 2013, and in this 8-part series, I'm going to be discussing everything from songwriting, all the way to publicity, marketing, promotion, how to get your music ready for beginners. You'll also learn something if you've been doing this for a while. I've been doing this personally for 10 years. I've started just by recording my own songs, my own videos, throwing my own shows. Over the past 10 years, I've recorded about 350 plus songs. I have about 100 videos out online collectively, which have amassed about 1 million views. I'm 26 now. I started this when I was 16, and I'll just give you a little clip of one of the videos when I first started.
Handling bars, I run through tracks like this was a marathon, an all-star man. You can call me Barry Bonds, so carry on to the business you're barely on.
I've been able to travel around Canada. I've done 2 tours so far. I was about to go on my 3rd tour, which is now postponed. But I've also got featured in magazines, on the radio. I've got featured in newspapers. I want to teach you how I was able to do all of that. School is extremely important. When I went to Nimbus, I learned music business management, and through that 8-month program, I was able to have all of this knowledge how to navigate through the music industry, and then applied that knowledge with my partner to launch our clothing line, which is now being rebranded, but it's called 30604 Apparel. I've also won 2 awards, one for Best Aboriginal Video and Best Hip Hop Video. Shout out to Canadian Independent Music Video Award. I want to pass along the skills and knowledge, the tools and resources that I've learned throughout this 10 years to help you in your music career as an artist. If you're building a business, these skills can still apply to that. When I first started doing music, I did everything on my own, from burning the CDs, recording, putting the CDs as a package together, and then hustling out of my backpack when I was in high school. So I was really do-it-yourself, YouTube and Google, all the tutorials, and then having some schooling and putting all of that knowledge together has really helped me in my path as a hip-hop artist, as a musician entering the music industry. So within this 8-part series, I'm going to cover everything from songwriting to marketing, promotions to distribution, getting your song ready, how to create the artwork, all of that. So thank you for joining me, and I hope that you're going to learn something from this series, Music Makers 101.